Hey everybody, and welcome back to Farm Girl in Progress. Today, let me introduce you to the newest member in our farm family. Everybody meet Brownie.
Brownie is so soft, by the way.
So at my husband's begging and pleading, we picked up Brownie at Burro King today.
Why can't I pick up a bunny?
He's been wanting one for a really long time, and we kind of skipped on the birthday gift and the Father's Day gift, so we just kind of wrapped it up in one today with the bunny. So today we are going to build him a nice outdoor bunny hutch, and this is kind of the idea that I'm thinking. So this is the idea that I have planned out. So it'll have a wire bottom, a wire side, and a wire front, and then it'll have a solid back, and then it'll have like a Heidi hutch on the side here with an opening on this side, and then we'll put a door on this side for easy cleaning. Then there'll be a door on the front here, and then we'll see about getting some sort of a tray to go underneath here, and then it'll have probably a plastic roof on the top. But this is the idea that we're thinking. It's going to be 3 feet by about 2.5 feet. The wire that we got is 30 inches, so that's just what we're going with. That way we don't have to cut so much. And it's going to be 30 inches tall as well, just so we don't have to cut as much wire if we made it a different size. So this is what we're going to be working on in this video. That way we can get Brownie into a secure hutch for the night. If not, he can just hang out in my office in the cardboard box that he's in for right now. This was kind of like a spur of the moment purchase. I highly recommend pre-planning before these things, but you know, farm life, animals happen. So yeah, let's go head outside and
Mom, can I go check on him?
So let's go ahead outside and gather up some supplies and start building this. All right, Nikolai, let's see your idea. Go ahead and explain it.
So here's my idea. This is a little area for our bunny, and so this is the enclosure, and this is his water and feeder, and these are the posts so he isn't on the ground where the predators are. Mm-hmm. And also I was thinking of making it a ground one, but Mommy said that predators would attack. Mommy. And Mommy. So that's all.
Alrighty guys, so it is almost 9 o'clock. So we're going to wrap it up for the night on this bunny hutch. Let me show you guys what we got done, and then we'll say goodnight. So we got a good bit done today. We got, I think these are 2-foot legs, 30-inch sneak peek. So we got the front supports done, the back supports, the roof supports, and we put the wire floor in. That is going to be a completely enclosed in hutch area, but I think we did good for one day's work. We should be able to wrap it up here tomorrow. So thanks so much for watching, guys, and remember to grow where you're planted.